In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. If you're planning to apply to UNC as an undergraduate student, the main thing to know is that your application is submitted through the Common App. From there, you'll complete the required parts of the application, including your essays, official transcripts, and one teacher recommendation. UNC also allows standardized test scores to be optional for first-year applicants, so you can decide whether or not to include SAT or SAT results. Before you begin filling everything out, it helps to choose your application pathway. UNC offers early action, which is non-binding, and regular decision. Early action is a good option if UNC is one of your top choices and you want to receive an earlier admissions decision. The early action deadline is October 15th. If you need more time to prepare your materials, regular decision may be a better fit, and that deadline is January 15th. Choosing your timeline first can make the rest of the process much easier to organize. Once you know which deadline you're aiming for, start gathering your application materials. You'll submit these through the Common Application portal. First, be prepared for the application fee, which is $85 unless you qualify for an approved fee waiver. It's a good idea to confirm that ahead of time so there are no delays when you're ready to submit. Next, make sure your official high school transcripts are requested and sent directly to the UNC Office of Undergraduate Admissions. Since transcript processing can take time, this is something you should handle early. You'll also need one recommendation from a core academic teacher. So choose a teacher who knows your classroom performance well and can speak clearly about your strengths as a student. For the written portion, complete the main Common App personal essay along with UNC's short answer questions. Give yourself enough time to revise these responses carefully, since they're an important part of showing your personality, goals, and writing ability. If you want to include standardized test scores, you can self-report your SAT or ACT results. But remember that this part is optional for first-year applicants. Finally, if you are a North Carolina resident, you'll need to verify your state residency through the Residency Determination Service and submit your residency classification number, also called an RCN. This step is especially important for in-state consideration, so don't leave it until the last minute. Once all of these pieces are prepared, review everything carefully in the Common App and make sure each requirement is complete before submitting. That's how to apply to the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill.